I think what most people are going to like about this chair is it's still really quick and easy to set up and take down, but it's also quite rigid and sturdy. Well, I don't know if I'd say rigid. So it's just a fabric bottom, but it's not kind of like those other camping chairs where you tend to sink down. It's more like almost a normal chair where it's still very comfortable, but you're not sinking down as much. And yeah, it's very sturdy. This was sent to me so I could make this video. Things I like about it is it is kind of nice that it has this shelf to put things on. I would say it's not like 100% level. It kind of pokes up just a little bit, but it's got a place where you can put a soda here on the sides. You could put a soda, you can put your phone. It's got another pouch, so you can put plenty of stuff in it. It's just a nice, relaxing chair to have outside. Let me go ahead and show you how to put it away. So the back just kind of falls over, and then you just lift this up and you squeeze it together, and then you've got the thing just like that. It comes with this carrying case. Oh, and you do need to fold the arms down like this. That kind of makes everything more secure. So you've got a handle here to pick it up like this if you want to pick it up there. And then obviously once it's in its carrying case as well, you can just zip it up, and then there's a handle here. So it stores nice and easy. You can see kind of how thin it is when you store it. So you can just put it in your shed or just any spot you want, behind a car seat, in the trunk. Really nice chair to have.